Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're here out at the islands. We're going to do some spearfishing, what we do best. Lock dogs in the water at the moment. I don't know if you can see them, there's a bit of sun over there, but nice and clear today for the island. This is only shallow at the moment, but we'll be diving deeper later. Righto, let's get suited up, go for a look. So far we have in the esky a few trout and crays. Nice trouty there. A few crays there. Jump in the water, see if we can get some more. Just came across this little island here, just on the front side, where it's nice and calm. Gonna chuck the drone up in the air, get some aerial footage, see how we go. Couple solid fish from the boys. Gonna head back to the islands after this last dive here. What do you reckon, Tig?
Good day for it, mate. Tig's approval. Oh, get a heap, get two more. Yeah, nice work, Shane.
Tuck this bad boy up in the air, see how she goes. me and Lockdog got in the end. And yeah, that's the end of the video. Like, subscribe.